Am I centered? That's the question. Alright, let's see. Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to PitaChew. Alright, you guys, so today was a beautiful day. So I just got back from my walk and reflection on what's going on in my life. But first, I'm a bit parched. Alright, so you guys, this is my ultimate burger. My ultimate favorite burger to go to is the mushroom burger. This time around, I added some, what is that called? Provolone style cheese. Again, for those of you that don't know, everything here again is plant-based. Your host is plant-based. All right? All right. Okay, let's speak. Actually, I'm in the mood for corn dog right now. This time around, we're going to be using sriracha. Oh, yeah, let's open it. Oh, good God. Okay. We're going to do this. Why not? Let's just do all of it like that. And of course, good old ketchup. Ooh, this looks so good. So these corn dog is from a company called Light. I'll be right back. I was gonna say Nightlife. It's Morningstar. See that? Right there, y'all. Let me get the glare out. You know what I mean. Nightlife. Morningstar Farms. There you go. All right, here we go. Go ahead, you take a bite. This corn dog has been air fried. Check it out. There you go. Oh, that's hot. This was the last thing to get out of the stove. Let's have a burger. Go ahead, take a bite. I can never get sick of burgers. So this morning, you guys, I went out for a walk. I'm running out of everything. I'll be right back. I need to get some water. And of course, got to get my coconut water. I know, look at this itty bitty thing. They ran out of the large one. I don't know what the deal is, but it's been, what, a month since they ran out of my regular size one that I always get, but this would do. Oh. Okay. These are not that bad. They're actually good. I'm so thirsty, y'all. Like I was saying, today was a beautiful day. So I went out jogging around 11-ish in the morning. And it was gorgeous. I did about 2 laps. Roughly about 6 miles. I mean, the sun was just way too hot. It was beaming in the back of my neck. So I was like, you know what? Maybe I should call it a day. Look at that. You guys, I'm exhausted. Oh. Anyhow, I'm gonna go settle in, y'all. Today I am pooped. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for having brunch with me. Don't forget, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. Click on that bell so that you can get notified when I upload new video. Till next time, I'll see you guys tomorrow, okay? Off out the way. You can go.